Friends, I'm getting ready to start my third season mowing with the Cobalt brushless mower. So I did all of year before last and all of last year, except I did mow one time, mowed my yard with gas powered, just because I'd forgotten to charge the batteries and I was in a pinch. So here we go. I'm getting ready to start a whole new season, third year. No new batteries or anything, still the same batteries that I got with it. Now I will go ahead and show you a bit of what I'm up against. It's not much. It's early spring, but you can see the grass is probably ahead of us here, about 4 or 5 inches tall, 6 inches maybe in places. So I'm going to mow this part that's over here next to the road. Then I've got some more that I'm going to mow over there where the hammock and everything is. But yeah, it's a little shaggy. Hopefully you can see that. And we're getting ready to alleviate that, hopefully, as long as the battery's still working, the mower's still going good. Grass gets a little thicker back over here on this side. You can see what we got here. We probably got some of it 10 inches or so high, just in clumps and stuff. Not a real pretty yard, honestly, from a grass point of view. Blueberry bushes are going to come back strong, like always. Yeah. Pretty little trees and stuff that we have around here, and asparagus bed on the other side needs a little bit of cleaning up, straightening out. Okay, so here's that area after mowing. I don't usually set the mower real low, so you see the dandelions and stuff are still there. I usually go kind of medium. I don't like to fight the grass down to the roots. Oh, I gotta go dump that bunch of trimmings we put over there in the fire pit. I'm not burning this year because of the dang, I'm just scared. We had a big fire up here last year, so I've just been throwing them off down in the ditch. And I've also bought a wood chipper that I've not quite had a chance to learn how to use yet. So I'm going to be doing some wood chipping soon. The hammock has been up there about 8, 10 years. Need to replace it. I still come out and lay on it at night and look at stars. Great for watching the space station go across. But yeah, so there you go. Still working great. I mowed that little area over there on the other side close to my truck. All out in front of the yard, all the area over there. I have some olive trees over there on the other side of the hammock. Mowed all around that, all this over here. And I've only used 1 bar of the 3 bars on the battery. So I could still go probably and cut half of the yard over here. Which I don't know if I might sneak in there and do a little bit of that. Nikki just wanted me to get part of this and then chill out and maybe help her with some housework. Let me know if you have any questions about this mower. I still think it's great. It's one of the best purchases I ever made. If you're so cheap that you don't even want to charge it on your own dime, you can take your battery to work and charge. I did that for a year just for fun. I wanted to mow my grass with nothing but my own effort. Not pay for gas, anything. And nobody cares if I plug a battery up and charge it at work. So I did that just for fun. But last year I charged my batteries all here at home. But that's what I'm saying, is you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money on gas to mow your grass. Just be patient. Don't let it get out of control. Those little mowers are about, I'm going to say they're a third less powerful. I used to say about half as powerful, but I'm probably a little better than that. They're about 1/3 less powerful than a regular mower. So you don't want to let your grass go crazy. Keep it while it's 8, 10 inches high and no more. Don't let it get super thick, and then you'll be able to mow just fine with a little battery powered mower. And like I say, I just bought 1 battery. The 1 battery that came with it, and then I bought a weed eater that had another battery. The one that came with that is 6 milliamp hour or 6 mAh, whatever that stands for. And the one that came with the it's a weed eater. The one that came with the weed eater was a 4. But between the 6 and the 4, both of them work in the mower, and they both will get me through the entire yard here, which is about 1.2 acres. And it's got some stuff on it. I gotta pick up some labels and stuff. Again, folks, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.